if you have already run out of all your face masks and your sheet masks, then you need to run into your kitchen, because I'm going to be telling you some very basic skincare routine using homemade stuff. So first we're going to make a full body scrub. In a clean bowl you need to add some बेसन के अंदर आपको डालना है योगर्ट, उसके अंदर आपको डालना है some drops of lemon and haldi. You have to start mixing it all together, and if your mixture looks as pathetic as mine, then you need to add some more yogurt. उसको अच्छे से mix कर लीजिए. It is supposed to be a little thick in consistency. Once you've done that, you have to apply it on your body, leave it for 10 minutes and then properly scrub it off, and it works as a great exfoliator. Now we're going to move on to something even more simpler, which is a very easy lip scrub. For this, again in a clean bowl, just add 1 spoon of sugar and couple of drops of lemon. Mix it and then just apply it on your lips. Scrub it properly and it will help remove dead skin and even help if you have chapped lips. After this, we're again going to move on to something super easy, which is a very simple hair mask using only 2 ingredients. In a bowl, we're going to take 2 spoons of ghee and we're going to add 1 portion of coconut oil, any coconut oil that you have available at your home. So depending on the length of your hair, you can obviously sort of change the proportions as well. So yeah guys, this is a super easy homemade remedy stuff. You can easily find all these ingredients at home, and worry not if you're running out of your face packs. You can always go into the kitchen for some inspiration.